Jack Warehousing is a professional team built by Jack Technology to solve the pain points of warehousing and logistics in the apparel industry. It brings together top industrial resources and elites, covering the entire chain of planning and design, software development, project delivery, and after-sales service, providing customized intelligent warehousing and logistics solutions for garment manufacturing enterprises to better deliver professional software for apparel factory. We insist on self-developed WMS and WES, combined with hardware such as pallet stacker, crane, four-way shuttle, unmanned side forklift, CTU robot, AGV, and underride forklifts. We provide enterprises with customized exclusive warehousing and logistics solutions. Pallet stacker, crane RS, integrates multi-layer racks, stacker, crane, WMS, WCS, and dock sorting systems. It can link with order systems to automatically generate outbound tasks, intelligently sort goods in strict accordance with the FIFO principle, precise dispatching, and stable operation. Four-way shuttle RS, composed of hardware such as pallet four-way shuttles, racks, lifts, and conveyors, together with WMS and WCS software. It is suitable for warehousing scenarios with heavy loads and large volume outbound operations, delivering excellent performance in both space utilization and operational efficiency. Unmanned side forklift, built around ultra-narrow aisle side forklifts with dedicated dispatching software. Compared with traditional forklifts, it only requires a minimum aisle width of 1.7 meters. It can also directly reuse customers' extend racks and pallets to further cut renovation costs, featuring low investment, fast deployment, and strong adaptability. CTU robot, specialized for garment production with small items, light loads, and multiple SK. It realizes fully automatic inbound and outbound operations, seamlessly connects with MES, accurately completes material picking according to production plans, and ensures smooth material supply to production lines. All intelligent solutions share common advantages, including precise location management, data visualization monitoring, and flexible capacity expansion and upgrading, adapting to the warehousing needs of enterprises at different development stages. Intelligent AGV can link with WMS, WCS, and RCS systems to realize multi-unit collaborative intelligent dispatching, quickly respond to operation calls, and complete automated handling strictly along planned routes. It perfectly replaces inefficient manual handling and high-intensity repetitive labor, significantly reducing labor costs. Underride forklift requires no modification to existing sites and can directly handle floor-stacked pallets, perfectly adapting to multi-scenario transfer needs such as bulk cargo and full pallets. The product features flexible operation and low investment cost. Jack Warehousing has deeply rooted itself in intelligent manufacturing sectors, including garment manufacturing, footwear, and luggage. With mature technical solutions and implementation experience, it has successfully delivered hundreds of intelligent warehousing projects. Supported by robust core technologies, we provide professional and efficient services to help garment manufacturing enterprises accelerate digital transformation and achieve quality improvement, cost reduction, and efficiency enhancement in warehousing and logistics.